Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang Selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Leo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong September 2023. This is a general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin ang inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayong September. Meron tayong 25% discount sa mga tarot readings natin. So, lahat ng information nasa description if you want to book for a private reading. Link on the description. Okay, so just a reminder, Leo, that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, unahin natin mga single na Leo. Anong meron for the Leo singles ngayong September? Leo singles for September. You will be connecting with a lot of people, a lot of movement. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga travels, going out on a date, pwede rin yan, no? Oo. But I think yung iba sa inyo, you're really enjoying your freedom. You are enjoying your freedom. So, pwedeng recently, meron kayong kinat na person sa buhay ninyo, a person who is no longer serving your highest purpose. Yung iba sa inyo, umiiwas kayo sa romantic connection. Although, you are trying to connect sa ibang tao, but not romantically. Sa gusto nyo lang ng mga bagong experiences. You also have the Four of Wands. Some of you, maaring you are going to spend more time with your family. Yung iba yung mga mahal sa buhay. Yes, family. Or you will be involving yourself sa negosyo ng family. Or yung family mo, i-involve mo sa negosyo mo. So, it's more of making money for you, mga Leo singles. Oo, medyo pinoprotektahan niyo yung sarili niyo ngayon. Hindi kayo masyadong open for romantic connections. You just want to move on, move forward, experience new things. Yes, you are healing, doing some shadow work, focusing on your self-worth. Na-appreciate mo yung sarili mo. Self-love. Parang masaya ka na, no? On your own. So, meron ditong interesado na makipag-usap sa'yo. Pwedeng mga bagong kaibigan or meron kang mga makikilala na sa pag-travel mo, sa mga pupuntahan mong places, mga bagong connections. But I don't see anything romantic at this time, no? Ngayong September for you. You will just enjoy connecting with a lot of people and sharing your ideas with them. Okay, so let's see naman yung mga in a relationship na Leo. Mga in a relationship na Leo, ano naman yung energies for you sa love life nyo? Eight of Swords. Nako. Yung iba sa inyo, nagsistick kayo sa relationship nyo kahit na hirap na kayo. Kahit alam nyo naman na kailangan nyo nang umalis sa relationship na to. Parang feeling nyo kasi wala na kayong iba pang mapupuntahan or feeling nyo wala nang ibang magmamahal sa inyo kaya you're staying in that relationship na stressful. Yung iba marriage. Oo, kaya parang trap na kayo. You feel trapped in this relationship. Pero yung iba sa inyo, you're trying to parang lalo mong pinapalakas yung loob mo sa ngayon, no? Oo, kung paano mo may enjoy yung relationship na nagsistay ka. But some of you are not really happy. Di na kayo kontento. Yung iba sa inyo gusto nyo ng something new opportunities. You want to break free from this relationship. You want to move on, you want to move forward, you want to go to a new direction. Mas gusto nyo na mag-focus sa career ninyo. Maari kasi yung iba sa inyo, pinipigilan ng inyong romantic partner na, magtrabaho or to have your own money, no? Magkaroon ng sarili mong pera. And you feel na parang wala ka ng growth, no? Yung parang personal, fulfillment mo. So, that's why yung iba, parang, nagtitiis. Pero deep within you, you want change. Okay. Not today. Ayan stuck by love. Struck by love. Yung iba sa inyo, mahal nyo naman talaga yung person that you are dealing with. Kaya lang parang feeling nyo, hindi nyo na na-experience yung happiness. You can love someone without being happy. 'Di ba? So, some of you are heartbroken. Yung iba, iniiwasan nyo tong ma-feel, iniiwasan nyo na i-bring up sa person ninyo. Some of you are in a karmic relationship. Mahirap talaga i-let go ang karmic relationship. Yung iba sa inyo matagal na kayong nagsasama, parang nagkakasawaan na. Or you're staying because maaring yung mga tao sa paligid nyo is iniisip nyo kung ano yung sasabihin nila. Like your family, your person's family. But it seems na you want to end this chapter of your life na being with this person. You're not happy You want to try new things. Lalo na kung tong person na to hindi siya supportive sa ginagawa mo. Sa mga gusto mong subukan sa buhay for your personal fulfillment. So, yung feelings ng person mo, is it true? Siguro nagtatanong na to kung meron kang ibang gustong gawin. No one compares. Maari kasing itong person na to, yes, provider siya, binibigay niya yung needs mo, but there are times na hindi lang material needs yung kailangan. Wish you could put yourself in my shoes to understand how I feel. Yes. Gusto mong maintindihan ng person na to. Yung nararamdaman mo, maari kasing hindi niya naiintindihan na sabi na, buti ka, wala kang ibang iniisip ganon. Ayan, emotional intimacy. Iba sa inyo takot na mag-open up ng true feelings ninyo for this person kasi baka i-take it against you na sabihin na wala kang utang na loob. Usually ganon. Lalo na sa mga may asawa tapos yung provider, isa lang yung provider, And then the other person stays at home para sa mga kids. But minsan kasi you will realize na meron ka pang gustong i-pursue sa buhay. And sometimes your partner hindi yun sinusuportahan. Do something for someone, give your attention to another. So this can be do something for yourself, no? Communicate to this person na ito yung gusto mo, ito yung gusto mong maayos, ito yung gusto mong magbago sa buhay mo. Be more open, no? But for some of you, may nakikita ko rito na gagawa ng action para magawa niya yung gusto niya. Yung iba naman, magsistay muna. Pero, pagpaplanuhin na niya yung gagawin niya moving forward. Kung meron ba siyang susubukang bago. Kung paano niya gagawin yun. Paano siya i-exit dito sa relationship na to. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung gusto niyo to naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.